Say Okudzeto Abropa oh. Say sad. Say ye investigation ye be na eba out say ampa. Papa no e transfer ka say from the ADB account at the max with secretariat and the yet na back here. Chairman, I swear anywhere I meet that guy, I'll slap him when next time I go to Ghana. Whether Parliament, be a mission, whether he's with me born assume to Yame, me born assume on match me to I swear because of our block and Sam George. Chairman, I swear. Any opportunity I get close to Okudzeto and Penny block and Sam George, I will slap them. Chairman, I will slap him so bad here. Me bona suma friend ni a on. Okudzeto kwasi ampeni abrokwa no. Me bona suma friend ni a midonyame se ofiri mu fia on. Wan twa MP no kura no oni bio. Ofiri mu fia MP no kura odi because me dia bufuo ni atete ene oya wo ahye me ma me wiase ni na e de be bona ni so friend ni. He's a devil. People like that are not supposed to live. People who always want a country to fall under chaos, they are not supposed to live.
Nope.
Because they indoctrinate the citizens, make them accuse and hate people wrongfully, so that they can advance their stupid political career. I made the Maka, a best okay. So my catcher, maybe I'm a baby can have more than say agro. Uyamemwame. Namen Kogana. Men Coco places you or Buko Ebi chairman. Namen Cotus the Sakwasi and Penny Netto. Messimim Bisashi. I will walk straight and slap him. And I tell you, yes, I slap you, let them arrest me. Oh, yes, the Abakus on no Buna couldn't wait. I think we're Gyimifuo.
They have a
Boss, there be Messi and this for this time we are not doing no gentle with them no more. Chairman, this time we are not Messi somewhere Jimmy. Yes, you better Trump say Jimmy. Pasiapa. Now when answer will trim one car buy a buy a one day so one factory will crew or no more time.
I know.
Pasiawa went to me and Yebi and Fanco, Mahama to when Yebi and Fanco, at a message to when Yebi and Fanco, will be a bed be bow. Why when Nimitan times a woman Muchia? What it? When Nimitan times a Muchia young car home to man, every account was because a crophobia, such a stupid person, we call that person an honorable. Such a fool,
know, right?
A liar. A pathological liar like Kwasia Broka, we still spend time to listen to such a fool, give him chances to sit on media and talk craziness. Chairman, for let any two. Now I'm share a page. Say, ma, me no more sign na no penny for one and me no sign. Me name Colin sign. Me page Jane. Utie, Slimbaste, me pay Jane, and Quadano and Hochina Jane, me fast Sanya Mani. But what the offer? Utie, what the offer and to me the Begina Sebi, TV so say Facebook, now we need Jimmy. As a man think so you see. The Asha Kumemo Busuni Pie. Into Edia me pacho, fact why? Yet that's a Sawabemo will be who say, who didn't colato, or Shan colato. But ye, that's it. So to a Wabeka, so to Quadamona, we are rapists and Quadan getting up. Lending a police. If you are listening or wherever he is, no, Akwebi was said there trying about to say when you papa no show as soon enough, Genesis was won't say answer. Who would the baby I won't send what Pencola would in collar, what the Nensa won't call and Moncheno. Me, we say one in the Wokrama Ninja Robada, Obabanu, a defire colano, was the Penny Beman and Nutri. Chairman, put the next letter there. Papa Nankasa Dieno. Anna, yeah. January 16th, National Cathedral. Allegations of corruption, conflict of interest, and dual identity against Reverend Victor Kusibuatin. Yankos Rase. I have taken note of some defamatory publications and allegations made against my person by Samuel Okudzeto, Kakawure Kwasi Ampeni Abropa, MP for Sebi, and here for constituency North Tongue, and here for constituency, a Yenimian Senti, yet two Abadema Sebi, NDC for. Yes. Not tongue for Monday. Kwa dwene nya adwuma saka nke sa kwasi ampani we mo fa ne nkonkodi manim for all these years ye to aso these days everybody will get some of the bullet mo ka ho asia kwa fifi ko etese mo mra mesom NDC why voter for ni na fifi ko etese mo mra mesom NDC mo mra mesom NDC na sebe ensuo be bufa me so a John Mahama de eyi eburo bottom yenu emo bottom yenu na maba ma be wezolo Mahama wezolo e Mahama e wezolo Gyimifuo a sebe mato aba ma party bi ye di munya mo sorry a mo se still as our party na mo beto aba mo wadwene ye adwuma okọ kan yesi kwasi wa no oya ma no nye yase chairman pia koso na mitumi kan ni na or say I'm also informed that Mr. Ablakwa has petitioned the Commission of Human Rights and Administrative Justice. I mean, Sebi, me ye the NDC le try ni fruba. And na me sorry by am me be do any MP. Ye di entia. Because me who say, sa NDC government no, it does not inspire. The NDC government does not challenge you to become anything better. The only thing they want you to think, and they say what the neighbor abemu a ubedi ye. No mo be adada for 29 years. For 29 years. Now, chairman, let me chip this in because I never call. Sir, Akwana, why I say born now, yes, so you nimbo pram MP no. Sir, was Sam George, you know. One would say, and there is a Vodafone or one of the companies, you know. The Ghana Telecom. They are trying to partner with the private sector, you know, to do something together so that the private sector can take over and do what? And do the day-to-day activity of it. Because people don't really pay attention to do it. But who have private sector Chairman, now Sam George, the most shallowest brain, smallest brain in parliament, gets up to say, oh, and I buy a quack or tongue way, I buy a quack or tongue way. Now I buy a 77. It's because say Ghana Telecom bankrupt to say we need a bankrupt. I'm say chairman. First and foremost, it's two things. Let me educate Sam George. Whenever something becomes bankrupt here, you are dealing with the government. That thing gets closed down. And I'm
of course.
And so be ebeba ababe shemukena. I just saw you then or concern opinion. No crown. Usually you don't come with the same name. Mebwa.
That's it.
When you use a name to file for bankruptcy, you cannot come tomorrow and say, oh, you see the same business name. No, Eddie apply for loan. Eddie are your business.
That's it. You can't do that.
Meaning it will change. And I'm
That's right.
Sam George, TF1 no support no mo ye Gyimifuo a omo nwene nkwa akire. Sam George can say no. One man jatu. And me be say, since you have chosen to be a fool on social media, we will help you fool. Sam George, when the Ghana Telecom filed for bankruptcy, where are the papers? That's